Straight A student, but I'm friends with the cool kids. Following the rules and the rubric. Freestyle on the bus and it's too lit. Everybody like, hold down, who's this? Raising the stakes like Roos Chris. Clockwork, how I shine like Kubrick. Yeah, I heard what you got with the music. Think that it's hot, but it's not like Lucas.
Mark's an engineer. He knows how to do whatever.
I love how everybody's quads comes with 2 carburetors.
So when we ripping the exhaust off.
For what?
Then put a different one on.
Yeah.
You have a new one?
We're going to.
Oh.
It's for the channel.
It does have a got an oil leak, but I'm guessing it's hopefully from that seal right there. We knocked down $100 off that.
There you go.
Maybe a blown shock right here.
Yeah, the ball joint's bad in that one.
And that ball joint.
Hey, you're gonna drive it down there and drive over the truck and just do that.
It's awkward with that. The choke's not completely on yet.
The cable's probably bad. The throttle cable.
Now, to put it in reverse, you gotta have it neutral to put it in reverse. So yeah. But when you put it in neutral, and you don't have to touch it, it's actually in gear. Even though the bad guy, I got definitely started.
Oh yeah.
Not bad. Well, it looks way better than Noah. Noah just saw it, then he got a carb over it.
Yeah. Now we're doing a little late night cruise. Got the new Warrior. I got my bike. I'm not sure what Brock's taking. I think he's taking the Razor. We're gonna get, I think, the Moto 4 going.
Oh, God. I should make sure it has gas in it first.
Yeah.
Bone dry. No, it's got a little bit in there.
Oh God. We think he's out of gas, Brock. Pepper said there was some in there, but I think it's pretty dry.
You motherfucker.
I got some super. smoking more.
It's smoking a little less.
Yeah, I think it needs a ring job.
Well, if we're gonna fix that base gasket, might as well.
Yeah.
Alright. Sounds good right there. Smoking a lot less.
Yeah.
I noticed that too.
Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no! All right, the Yamahas are somewhat ripping.
For Yamahas, they are at least. So some weird magic happened today. We threw some Marble Mystery Oil. I don't know what's in it. It's a mystery. But it quit smoking the Moto 4. And
We think the rings opened up, and she's smoking a lot less now. So
hardly any.
she is marketplace worthy now.
And then the Warrior started smoking. So
Now the Warrior's
I can't win here.
ring job for the Warrior and some new gaskets here and there, and we're gonna send her for now, and then down the road she's getting some goodies on her.
I gotta adjust mine. Half the day I rode like this. It was hurt my thumbs. It goes all the way
Oh my
back.
god.
You gotta either adjust it
This
or
is why we are doing wheelies.
All right, we got a Warrior 350 engine. What are we figuring out here? And you already got the side cover off. What's going on?
we had some grenade in it. AKA the water pump. Yeah, we had a few pieces in here. You might be able to see them if you shine a light in there, but
What did you do? Try cranking it over or something, or you just haven't? Or
no,
you
we just tore it apart to see what it looked like. And
Oh, okay.
yeah, that's what we got. Got a little plastic gear in here. The rest of it, they put in a bag for us to bring home.
All right, and Brock's being a scrub again. Turned the side of the engine apart again.
No, that's already done.
Oh, okay, he's putting it back together.
That's a Kia.
Oh,
A very expensive bag.
scrub move. Here is the project. It's got yellow plastics on it. Looks like it was at one point a red Warrior. And then here is Jacob's Warrior that you just saw. Yeah, we're just gonna go through. So we're gonna do gaskets on it and just simple maintenance for now, and then eventually might put on some more goodies on it.
Maybe a few more goodies later on the line.
Yep. But for now, we're just gonna rip her and see what she does.
She got the new handles on it, don't you worry.
Ooh, there we go.
Red grips.
Well, she lives maybe again. Huh? I said she maybe lives again. Did you?
No, it lives.
Oh, it lives now. Is this the final time?
Final straw. Final straw.
Straight A student, but I'm friends with the cool kids. Following the rules and the rubric. Freestyle on the bus and it's too lit. Everybody like, hold down, who's this? Raising the stakes like Roos Chris. Clockwork, how I shine like Kubrick. Yeah, I heard what you got with the music. Think that it's hot, but it's not like mucus. Pick a side, never switch, get a backbone. Girl, the only one that hit me on the bathroom.
Alright, guys. Me, the Scrub, Big Red, and Scrub Jr. or Pinky. We are taking our first official, very small ride.
Hey, turn the rap flow to a cash flow. Cash cow got the game in the lasso. 5 figures this week, no show yet. Yeah, I do it all from a home setup. Whoa, turn a TikTok to a Rolex. And it got more views than a Coachella. Make money off streams cause I own it. Can't exploit me cause I know better. Work smarter, not harder, I know this. But I still do both, I'm a go-getter. Scroll back on the gram, you can see just how I did it. Ay.
The Moto 4 quit. Not sure why yet. Hold the throttle wide open. Sounds really loud. She's dead.
You know how to get home, right? Because I want to go ride.
This is your dumb idea. I thought we were gonna ride what we did yesterday.
Yeah, I think she's dead. Oh, there ain't nothing there, dude.
Oh, here comes Brock. Trying to save Big Red.
Straight A student, but I'm friends with the cool kids. Following the rules and the rubric. Freestyle on the bus and it's too lit. Everybody like, hold down, who's this? Raising the stakes like Roos Chris. Clockwork, how I shine like Kubrick. Yeah, I heard what you got with the music. Think that it's hot, but it's not like mucus. Pick a side, never switch, get a backbone. Girl, the only one that hit me on the bat phone. Hey, turn the rap flow to a cash flow. Cash cow, got the game in the lasso. 5 figures this week, no show yet. Yeah, I do it all from my home setup. Whoa, turn a TikTok to a Rolex. And I got more views than a Coachella. Make money off streams cause I own it. Can't exploit me cause I know better. Work smarter, not harder, I know this. But I still do both, I'm a go-getter. Scroll back on the gram, you can see just...
Alright guys, so we tore apart the Moto 4 engine and we did figure some things out. Backstory on this quad: about 7 years ago, the quad was drowned at the gravel pits. So Noah split the engine apart years ago just to clean out the piston because it was full of mud or water or something. I don't even know. And the head never got bolted back down 100%. I think they're just finger tight. We didn't know that, but in hindsight, we're pretty sure that's what the problem was, is that the head bolts just loosened up after a while of riding, after we got it all put back together, and you know, we didn't know that they were loose to begin with. Pretty sure that's the problem, they were just loose. So we lost all compression because the head bolts were loose. That is probably why it was burning oil.